Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you an effective way you can tell when a website is down. Now of course what I mean by a website is, for example, if you may go to Twitter or as it's known now X, and of course if you may go to Instagram, it might be an app or it might just be a website or it might be one of those AI chatbots that you use, and the site might be down. Now, sometimes you go on and it's saying that the page is unable to load. It says that the service is unavailable. Try again later. Or it might give a number of errors. The site might not come up. It might come up, but every time it says it's busy. All right, there's an effective way to check to see if a website is down or a service is down. All right, so you'd have to go to the website. It's called Down Detector. All right. So that's downdetector.com. But I find that they have an app. The app is much easier to use, but they do not have a dedicated app. It's a part of the speed test app. So if you use the very popular speed test app, as I'm seeing here, you can use the speed test app to run a speed test. For example, I could test the internet now. However, if I look down here, you'll notice it says down detector. And if I tap this middle icon all the way down here, it will bring you to this, and it says introducing down detector notifications. Okay, if you want, you can have the notifications as well. All right, so I'm going to hit OK, and right away, without anything or any searching, it shows all of the sites that are down. Now, for example, today we have several sites down, and it shows red means severe or critical, and as it's very updated, the users do send in information. For example, right now we have Twitter or X that is down, Verizon is down, Steam is down for gamers, Mobile Legends is down, and Grok is down as well. Some that's giving trouble, but might not be fully up. And of course, it varies where you are in terms of location. Usually the US is the main location, but it will tell you information globally. All right, so Minecraft is having some issues. Cloud AI, Cloudflare, IRS, Pavlov Media, Bank of America, PNC, CNN, Logix, and you get the idea. And the list is very extensive. Now let's use the example here. Let's say Steam, like the gamers. If I tap on Steam, it will tell me what's going on, and it shows for who, and it shows regions, and it shows the US map, and it shows the hot zones. So for example, it tells you where the problem is highly located. But it's a good idea to still go ahead and try for yourself, because if you might be like in New York that's having severe outages, or other hot zones, and the severity varies. All right, so it says 60% of people report that there is a server connection problem. 21% are having login issues, so you can figure out what's going on. Some people are having download and updates. Friends and social media features on is not working. Purchases 3%, saves and syncs are having problem. Gameplay and game launches. All right, so you can see that's for Steam, and you can check out all of them and know what's going on, so you can set your mind at ease. You can also go to the website. I'll show you the website. All right, so this is the website. It's called downdetector.com. That's downdetector.com. All right, so it says it gives real-time problems and outages. All right, which service you're having problems with, you can type in here. You can even log your own reports. But again, similar to before, it gives you the ones, as you can see, Verizon. So if you're on Verizon now, you should be having some issues. Twitter, Steam, as I was saying. And here you get the logos as well. So you're seeing what's down. And you see some of them are coming back up. Notice the red mean severe issues. And you can see others are making their way back up. You see that it's color coded, it's easy to understand. Earlier, Amazon Web Service was giving some issues. And for further or greater detail, you can actually tap, for example, here, and it tells you last problem was, and it gives you the time, and so on. You can have your own report, or you can make your own report, and it shows traffic information here. It shows reports that's coming in at various times. As you see here, you can see a spike at this time here at 7:37 a.m. and it showed the reports, 223 reports. So you get the idea that you can actually monitor what's going on. So of course, guys, in the comments, if you are having issues, You can comment the date as well and tell which problems you're having with. So for example, if a particular site is down for you today, you can put it in the comments, and of course you can always discuss it down there. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Hope this was useful. Bye.